Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage, headed out to the junkyard today. They got actually they got a couple TJs in. One came in about a week ago, but I was at work, so I didn't have an opportunity to get out to the junkyard, and figured it was going to be picked over by the time I got there. Plus, it was a 97, which is fine, but there wasn't a whole lot on there that I had a interest in based on the picture. In the VIN number, it had a Dana 35 axle, things like that. Anyway, there's a 2004 that just came into the junkyard yesterday, and I would have went yesterday to pick it up, but again, I was stuck at work. So I'm gonna try to sneak over right now and see if I can't get some parts off that thing. Pulling up the VIN number, it has a Dana 44 rear axle. Looking at the picture, has some minor aftermarket type stuff like some sort of cage up top. Not that I'm interested in that, but that tends to make me believe that other things have been possibly modified. So you never know what you're going to get on these things. I'm going to run up there and take a look. Unfortunately, today it's snowing, so this is going to just suck. It's a wet snow too. Normally it takes me about 45 minutes to get to the junkyard. My guess is it'll probably take me closer to an hour and a half to get there today with all the traffic and the slow speeds and everything. So I don't know, it's a gamble. It's a day off for me, and these little junkyard trips are just fun for me. So I'm gonna go take a look at both those Jeeps and see what I can come up with, see what's left. Here in pretty good time, the normal 45 minutes. I think the snow kept a lot of drivers off the road. Still going to be a heck of a day out there. You can see all the snow covered cars out there, so it's going to be probably not a fun pick, but hopefully it'll be fruitful. What in the hell am I thinking? I don't even need any of this stuff. I just come out here for the thrill of the chase. 24 degrees. Oh my God, dumb. Oh, come on. No early bird opportunity for me. This sucks. Grill's gone. Rear axle's gone. That is all I really wanted. Everything else is gone. This sucks. Well, at least it's not going to be a total bust. This one has a good clean grill. So if nothing else, at least I'm getting that. Jeez. I was gonna grab frame rails today, and even those are cut out. Man, this thing's been picked. One thing I do before I leave is always take a look at the incoming yard to make sure there's no Jeeps out there, because if there are, then I can get information on and when they plan on putting it in the yard, and then I could be here waiting in line, but doesn't look like there's anything out there, so no go this time. Overall, pretty disappointing pick. I'm not coming out empty-handed though. I still got the grill, and that's fine. On occasion I have people reach out to me asking if I have any for sale because they got in a wreck or whatever, so extra grills never hurt, but I go there with the bigger mission in mind, and that's to get the hard to come by parts, the parts that are very desirable, like the axles, transmissions, things like that. But today's just one of those days. Early bird gets the worm, and I was not early. In fact, I got my feathers plucked. So you know, on another note, it's rare that the TJs come into the yard here, any Wrangler for that matter. But when they do come in, you've got to be there as soon as they hit the yard, because if you don't, somebody's going to beat you to them. And for that reason, it's just all those parts that are desirable. We had two Wranglers within a week here, very unusual. Both of them picked. The parts I'm looking for, all the way down to frame rails, were gone. So not a whole lot I could do about that. And sometimes that's just the way it goes when you're out here on your fishing expeditions at the junkyard.